The internet is a marketplace of endless opportunity for skilled Africans. That means you can actually make, as an African, you can actually make as much money as possible online. And if you've been looking for websites where you can exchange your skill or your value to get money, then consider this video very, very important to you, because in today's video, I'm going to list out websites that will actually give you that opportunity to exchange your skill or your value and get as much money as possible. Welcome back to my channel. My name is still Francis Eze, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and also teaching you everything that surrounds making money online. Okay, and if this is your first time coming to this channel, you are welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also super welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. So in today's video, you will surely earn money by offering values, okay, on this website. And all this website I'm going to mention in this video are tailored to take care of different needs and different interests. So depending on the kind of skill you have, the website I'm going to mention in this video is going to take care of whatever skill you have. So you have that opportunity to offer your skill, give services, and get as much money as possible online. Okay, and this website actually I picked up websites whereby you can start making money online without having to invest anything. Or even if you have to invest, it's just you investing in your phone or your laptop or your data, and that's all you need to get started. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. And the first website is Amazon. You can actually make money two ways on Amazon. Either you join the Amazon affiliate program, whereby you advertise their products, and anybody that buys from your link, you get a commission. As you already know, Amazon is the biggest online marketplace out there in the internet. Then the next option on Amazon is for you to publish books. The popular one now is Amazon KDP, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, whereby you can write books with 5 pages, 10 pages, or even do as you can actually write books, no content books or low content books, and actually make as much money as possible. And Amazon pay Africans as much as 70% royalties on books that ranges between $2.99 to $9.99. So you have lots and lots of money to make on Amazon. Then let's get right to the next one, which is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online freelance, or the biggest freelance platform out there in the internet, and so many skilled Africans are making as much money as possible on Fiverr. And anybody working on Fiverr that has done his or her due diligence and is raking in sales at the moment can comfortably make as much as $500 to $2,000 monthly without so much stress. If you're interested in Fiverr, there are various videos on my channel where I talked about how you can get started, whether you have any skill or not, and also how you can land your first gig, assuming you are finding it difficult to get your first order. Okay, so on those videos, I talked about how you can get started, the gigs you can offer, and how you can actually land your first order without much problem. Okay, then let's hop right next to the next one, which is BINANCE. As you already know, BINANCE is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange out there in the internet. And according to Nairametrics, there are many peer-to-peer opportunities on Binance. In fact, anybody can make as much money as possible on the cryptocurrency space through Binance. And there's another research from World Economic Forum, and that research shows that when it comes to peer-to-peer payment transactional volumes, Africans did the highest peer-to-peer transaction out there on the cryptocurrency space. So there is a lot of opportunity for you to make as much money as possible. And also there is this new trend that is going on, which is the dollar arbitrage or any other currency arbitrage, whereby you buy at low price and resell on any other platform at a higher price. And that's very, very wonderful opportunity for you to make money online as an African, because Binance is available to anybody and everybody out there. Okay, so the next one is Skillshare. Skillshare is all about, is a platform whereby you can teach or you can publish courses and teach whatever skill or whatever idea that you have. One problem with Skillshare is that most persons think that they need to have high level of experience or knowledge before they can publish a course or before they can teach. That's not true. All you just have to do is, there are so many informations which you have, and there are so many things you know which many people are interested in. All you just have to do is to start creating your courses, start creating those videos, publish them on Skillshare, and start making as much money as possible. And from research, an average teacher on Skillshare makes as much as $500 to $1,000 on their first month, and over time the money increases. Once you publish extra or more courses, you make as much money as possible. Okay, the next one is YouTube. Just like you are here right now watching this video, I'm giving out content. You don't have to be an expert. Okay, and YouTube is the biggest video platform out there, or video sharing platform out there, and they make as much as $15 billion in revenue every year, and most of this money are being given to content creators. Okay, and from research, an average YouTuber or a monetized YouTube channel can make as much as $18 per 1,000 ad view, and that narrows down to about $3 to $5 for every 1,000 views. Okay, so all you have to do is to go out there, create an account on YouTube, create your channel, and start sharing videos or start giving out content on the things that you know. And over time, once you're consistent and you do your work properly, over time you start making money right there on YouTube. And aside just using the AdSense to make money on YouTube, there are so many other options you can use to make money using your YouTube channel. I also have a video on this channel where I talked about how you can make money using YouTube. Then the next one is Shopify. Shopify is actually an e-commerce platform out there where you can make as much money as possible selling either your products or drop shipping other people's products. So you don't necessarily have to have your inventory for you to start making sales. All you just have to do is to list products, and once customers place order, direct them to the supplier. The supplier supplies them, gives you your cuts, and you make your money smooth and hassle-free. Okay, the next one is CLICKBANk. That's an affiliate platform. There's CLICKBANk, there's JVZoo, there is Digistore, and many of them out there. So all you just have to do basically is to join this affiliate platform, and once you join them, they make things. They have this. Why I like this affiliate platform is that they actually make work easier for you, in the sense that they provide you with links, provide you with email series, content that can actually make sales very much easier for you. So all you just have to do is to drive in traffic. Once any sale is made through your link, you get your commission smooth and hassle-free. Okay, then let's get to the next one, which is Swagbox. Swagbox is actually a platform that support those that like playing games, watching videos, and taking surveys. Okay, if you fall into any of these categories, that maybe you like playing so much game online, or you like watching videos, or you like taking survey, Swagbox is for you. So you can actually make money while having fun and while living your daily lives. All you just have to do is to sign up on Swagbox and take in as much survey as possible, or watch as much videos as possible, or play as much games as possible, and they accept Africans and make your money smooth without problems. Okay, right to the next one is Etsy. Etsy is a platform, though they are focused more on handmade products and artistic products, but of recent they've integrated so many other these two products. Okay, you can actually go there and publish your product or list your product and make as much sales as possible. At the moment, Etsy has as much as 80 million active buyers at the moment, and that's a very huge market which you can hop in right there and start making as much money as possible without stress. Okay, and why I like Etsy is that you can actually sell products at a very good price, and oftentimes those products don't have to be physical. Artistic work which you created, you could actually post it out there on Etsy, and once once a customer is willing to buy, all they have to do, send them the digital version, they do the printing, and they pay you. So it's actually very easy. You don't need to have inventory for you to start making sales on it. So now you know various websites where you can exchange your skill as an African and start making money online. And these websites are very, very reliable. I've used most of them, and they are very, very reliable, and they've been tested over the time, and they are trusted. So all you just have to do is to get an account with them, do your due diligence, and start making as much money as possible. So having been with me in this video up to this moment, I wish to thank you for watching, and also indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.